Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to each and everyone. My name is Rico Quilao, and I will be your presenter for this call. And of course, we'd like to welcome each and everyone who joined us. Welcome to our partners, wherever you are in the world. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And of course, sa lahat po ng ating mga tagapakinig dito sa Pilipinas, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. And of course, today we have, of course, ang ating pong pag-uusapan po ngayon is something that can be of help, particularly when it comes to your health as well as when it comes to your life. Ayan. So yan ho yung tatalakayin po natin ngayon. And I'm sure that you're going to gain something out of this. And this is what we do every Tuesday. And for those of you who are watching this on a replay, or probably you are watching the video, we'd like to welcome you as well. And this will be just a short presentation just to share with you something that can help you, especially in these challenging times. Because our vision here in Opulence Global is that we have a vision wherein there is a world where aging and illness are no longer accepted as normal but rather preventable. So especially sa paligid ho natin ngayon, kabi-kabila yung naririnig natin when it comes to mga health problems, mga sakit, mga illnesses, and that is what we want to share with you for today, kung paano po natin mapapangalagaan at mapoprotektahan ang ating kalusugan. And also, we strive to make opulent living accessible to all, not just the elite, offering opportunities for generational wealth and personal empowerment. So pag-uusapan din ho natin is ang kabuhayan, no? Marami ho mga nagkakaroon ng mga issues and concerns and problema pagdating ho sa kanilang financial status, financial standing. So we believe here in Opulence Global that the answer to that the solution to that is by you starting your own business. So ito ho yung pwede nyo hong tingnan na pwede nyo hong pagkakitaan, especially when it comes to the products that are very unique, and we basically distribute to more than 200 countries all around the world. So ang tagline ho namin dito is, if you have the will, opulence has the way to transform your life and create a lasting impact. Okay, so let's get started. Just a little bit of a background. Sino po ba si Opulence Global? Opulence is a proudly Canadian international company which was established in 2005. So we are basically more than 20 years na sa international market. We already have a proven track record, and we ship to more than 200 countries and territories. Accredited ho tayo ng Better Business Bureau, which confirms the legitimacy of the company. And on top of that, we are named among the top 100 solid companies since 2010 by the businessforhome.org. Now, it is also important for me to share with you the one who's leading this company, particularly yung ating founder and CEO, si Mr. Ramin Mesgarlu. Very important ho ang leadership in any venture, because ito hong ating founder and CEO, meron na ho siyang malawak na karanasan in building multi-million-dollar businesses. Okay, so actually he was able to build 5 multi-million-dollar businesses, at marami na ho siyang natulungan when it comes to people improving their lives. So he has a lot of accolades already, featured in American Business Journal, recognized in the world as the top 2 compensation plan expert, a Network Marketing Hall of Fame inductee, and author of ho siya ng Forensic Networker, which is the direct sales most advanced training system. And on top of that, no, meron ho siyang mindset of a champion, kaya ho siya nabansagan, no? Meron ho siyang 112 medals as a Canadian wrestling champion. So again, very important is the leadership, because as we always say, everything rises and falls in leadership. Now, Opulence Global is basically involved in these massive industries. We have, of course, our fashion products, which ang industry ho na yan is worth $1.7 trillion industry. We also have personal care and wellness, another $1 trillion industry. And of course, the e-commerce platform that we are doing right now. Ito yung isa sa mga booming na business, especially during the time of pandemic and up until now, which is another $1 trillion industry. So when you take part in this company, no, you are actually taking part in these massive industries, which is a combined $15.9 trillion industry. So si Opulence Global, we started out with a fashion line of products noong 2005. Yan ho yung ating fashion heritage. Actually, our Ferry Designer House is the largest Canadian private fashion house. At yung atin ho mga products are exclusively designed, no, from our Toronto and European design centers. Very prestigious, very luxurious ho yung ating mga fashion brands. As a matter of fact, it is even worn by more than 350 celebrity clients all around the world. And we actually had our Ferry on the Runway. It's a fashion show, which is the biggest fashion show in Canada by a single designer. And we have a bunch, no, of numerous global media accolades. Now, we were even featured sa mga prestigious shows such as the Fox 5, The View, International Emmy Awards, TIFF, and the Golden Globe Awards. Now, on top of that, another advocacy that we have in Opulence Global is ito yung tinatawag nating Safe Home Revolution. And what this means is we want to protect you and your loved ones and your family by removing all the harmful ingredients from the product we use every day. So basically, this is the essence of our presentation for today because nowadays, no, hindi na ho tayo nakakasiguro sa mga bagay na nasa paligid natin, pagkain, hangin, and even yung tubig na iniinom ho natin, most of them are already contaminated na mga chemicals, toxins, things that are harmful to our bodies. And that is our mandate, no? Maiwasan ho natin yung mga bagay na sumisira sa ating kalusugan. And so our products features two proprietary ingredients. So again, these are the unique properties, unique ingredients that we have, the microsilver and the Norwegian spruce tree extract, which we will discuss in a while. But basically, our product line ranges from beauty, of course, yung ating microsilver protection, fighting yung mga microbes, bacteria, viruses, and of course, yung mga germs. No? So mahalaga ho yan sa panahon ngayon. We also have our personal care products, such as the 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. And on top of that, we also have, of course, our health and wellness products. So mind you, itong ating mga products are hindi lang ho yan gawa sa backyard, no, sa likod bahay, but these are produced and manufactured in a GMP certified facility. So it's a worldwide standard that ensures that the quality of the products are always napakataas, ano? And of course, all of our products are made in Canada. They are vegan, and of course not tested on animals, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and most of our products are tested by dermatologists. It cleanses microbes, protects against the damaging effects of free radicals. Now, let's talk about, of course, our best-selling product. Ito ho yung tinatawag nating Fountain of Life. We have over 1 million bottles sold, which means that we have helped a lot of people know when it comes to this product. It's a high-performance antioxidant to protect and preserve your well-being. Now, you can see all of these benefits, no, from heart health, lowers chronic inflammation, defend against dementia, protects prostate health, reduce breast cancer risk, decrease colon cancer risk, improves hair health, improve sugar metabolism, and control diabetes complications. Marami na ho tayong testimonials dyan. If you want to protect your DNA, of course, pagka ho nasira kasi yung ating DNA, this can be vital not to form yung mga cancerous tumors. It also helps improve metabolism, lowers body weight, and reduce hot flashes. So the question is, paano ba nakakatulong to? Bakit ang dami niyang mga benefits when it comes to health? Ilan lang to ha sa mga na-mention ko. Now, itong ating kasing Fountain of Life comes from the extract of the Norwegian spruce tree. Okay? Now, this tree is considered to be the superstar of all trees. Why is that? Because imagine a tree that can live hundreds or even thousands of years. Actually, the oldest documented the Norwegian spruce tree is 9,550 years old. Yan ho yung isang puno na tumatagal ng halos 10,000 taon, mainly because it is a self-healing disease-free tree. Ito daw ho yung puno na hindi nagkakasakit. It can withstand oxidative stress, it can deal with invasive threats from microbes and insects, and evolution over time. So kumbaga pinatibay na ng panahon. It has provided these trees with very efficient chemical defense and preservation mechanisms coming from lignans. So ito ho pala yung sikreto nitong puno na ito. Ito ho ay mayaman at masustansya sa lignans. Now, what are lignans? Now, lignans is a type of plant antioxidant that contains high levels of antioxidant. As a matter of fact, research shows that the most potent and strongest lignans in the world have been discovered, no, sa Norwegian spruce tree. So ito hong lignans, there are three things that it does to your body. One, it acts as antioxidant. Pag sinabi ho nating antioxidant, yan ho yung nagpoprotekta sa ating mga healthy cells para hindi ho madaling nadadamage yung ating mga healthy cells. So napakahalaga ho niyan in the protection of our cells because as we know, kapag maganda po yung ating mga cells, healthy yung ating mga cells, it forms healthy body organs and eventually it forms healthy body system. So when our body is functioning properly, then your body has the capacity to fight almost any disease. Your body has the capacity to fight or to heal itself, no? Yun ho yung maganda doon. Also antimicrobial, kaya hindi ka madaling naapektuhan ng mga germs, bacteria, and even viruses, no? Meron kang kumbaga shield or protection. And on top of that, anti-inflammatory, which prevents of course yung pamamaga ng sistema ng ating katawan. Kadalasan diyan ho nang gagaling yung mga pain, ano, sa mga inflammation. At lalo na ho yung tinatawag nating mga cardiovascular diseases. Most of them comes from what we call chronic inflammation. So ibig sabihin, unti-unting namamaga yung sistema ng ating katawan, kaya ho sumisikip yung mga daluyan ng ating dugo. No? So yun ho yung ginagawa ng anti-inflammatory is, of course, pinapaluwag niya yung daluyan ng ating dugo. Kaya nakakatulong ho siya, especially when it comes to heart health. Now, ito ho yung mga benefits no, na na-discover ho natin, particularly when it comes to lignans, especially if you're regularly consuming lignans every day. Now, one of them is yung heart health. So lignans may help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering cholesterol levels, improving blood pressure, and reducing inflammation in the body. So ilan lang ho yan sa mga benefits, no? And even in one of the researches, it was mentioned that if you are regularly consuming lignans every day, it can reduce the risk of heart disease by as much as 65%. At yan ho yung tumatak sa akin nung nakita ko itong presentation na ito. If there is something na makakapagpabawas ng chances or risk of you having heart disease, bakit hindi nyo po gagawin? Bakit nyo po hindi ite-take? Ito na ho yung lignans na napakadaling i-consume araw-araw. No? Pwede na ho nating maproteksyonan yung ating heart health. No? And then on top of that, meron din ho tayong mga studies when it comes to cancer prevention. Now, some studies suggest that lignans may reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, particularly hormone-related cancers like breast and prostate. And we already have a lot of testimonials no, when it comes to this as well. Now, on top of that, yung antioxidant activity. Now, why is this different? Sabi mo, Rico, I'm already taking antioxidants. And ano ba yung kaibahan niyan, di ba? So, itong antioxidant that you can get no, from this Norwegian spruce tree extract, hindi ho basta-basta na yung ordinary level. Ano? Pag tiningnan ho natin, the way we use these products is we put a minimum of 10 drops underneath our tongue, sa ilalim ho ng dila. At yun ho yung maganda doon. Since it is liquid, tapos pinapatak sa ilalim ng dila, diretso ho yan na-absorb sa ating lymphatic system. In less than an hour, it goes to your bloodstream. Kaya ho dito, meron ho kaming nakikita ng mga nag-use ng ating product and in just less than an hour, sometimes nga in less than 10 minutes, nagkakaroon ho kaagad sila ng benefits. So we call this fast acting because number one, napaka bilis ng absorption, and number two, napakataas ho ng concentration ng lignans. Ano yung concentration na yon? Yung 10 drops that you put, wala pang 2 segundo yung ipapatak sa ilalim ng dila, equivalent ho yan. Pag mineasure natin yung lignans concentration, equivalent ho yan sa antioxidants or lignans that you can get from drinking 50 cups of green tea. So makikita nyo ho dito sa ilalim nitong ating mga picture, ito ho yung mga pagkain na mayaman at masustansya sa lignans, and yet, with just 10 drops of this fountain of life, para ka na rin hong uminom ng 50 cups of green tea. So ganun ho kataas yung level of antioxidants ng 10 patak na yon. Ito ho talaga dito rin ako namangha dito sa 1,800 cups of apple. Being of course, sa iniisip ko nga, kung isang mansanas kasi isang araw, it would take you almost 4 years bago mo maubos yung 1,800 cups of apple. Now, you don't have to do that because with just 10 drops of the fountain of life, the lignans that you can get from those 10 drops is equivalent as if you have already eaten 1,800 cups of apple. So, ibig sabihin, ganun ho kataas yung level or yung concentration ng lignans or antioxidants in just 10 drops that you can consume in less than 2 seconds. No? So, ganun ho ka-powerful yan. Now, number 4, it also helps balance your hormones. Lignans can have a mild phytoestrogenic effect, meaning they may help balance hormone levels, particularly in women, especially during menopause by mimicking or modulating estrogen activity. So sa mga may hormonal imbalances dyan, maganda ho itong lignans na ito. Number 5, it also helps in digestive health. So lignans are also dietary fiber which supports healthy digestion and may help regulate bowel movement. So particularly, dyan din ho ako nagbe-benefit. Now this is not just for sick people, but of course, if you want to maintain good health, especially yung ating digestive system, yan ho yung na-enjoy ko rin ho dito dahil on an average, nakaka 2 to 3 times ho tayo naglalabas ng sama ng loob. So we ensure na hindi ho tayo naiipunan ng mga toxins sa ating katawan na pinagmumulan ho ng mga chronic illnesses. So that's the reason why magaan yung pakiramdam mo, level of energy mo mataas, and yung stamina mo laging malakas ka, So hindi ka mabilis kapitan ng mga sakit. Number 6 is of course blood sugar regulation. There is some evidence that lignans may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, We just heard a story about a woman na nakita ho itong Fountain of Life, shinare niya ho sa husband niya dahil yung husband niya is labas-masok ho sa hospital because of course of diabetes, ano. So nakilala niyo ho yung Fountain of Life na introduce ho sa kanya, and during the time before it was introduced, umaabot ho ng 500 yung kanyang sugar level. So napakataas. And then, after 3 weeks of regularly consuming itong lignans from the Fountain of Life, naging 300, and currently it is now down at 90, no? Napakababa, no? So nakakatuwa ho, no? So ang ginagawa lang ho ng ating Fountain of Life, by the way, it is not a cure, it is not a treatment, it is not a medicine, but what it does is it protects your cells. It nourishes with the nutrients, yung lignans na yan, yung 7-HMR lignans na yan. So when your cells are healthy, it forms healthy body tissues. And when your tissues are healthy, it forms healthy body organs, healthy body systems. And when your body, especially yung immune system, is functioning properly, it can combat or cure almost any disease. Now your body has the capacity to heal itself. So that's the reason why itong functional food ho na ito, yung nutrients that we can get from these lignans, malaking bagay ho yan sa pagpapalakas ng ating katawan, ng ating kalusugan. Okay? Now, on top of that, no, just last year, we also launched this very powerful product known as Divine. Now, this is a supplement that supports your immune system, fight against damage caused by free radicals, and it promotes healthy skin. Now, the great thing about this Divine is it contains 6 powerful active ingredients. So itong mga ingredients ho na ito, pag tiningnan nyo ho sa mga health shops, individually sold ho yan. Merong kanya-kanyang mga benefits ho yan. Pero mas maganda ho doon, sa iisang capsule, you can have all of these 6 powerful ingredients such as the maritime pine bark extract, a very powerful antioxidant as well. Now, on top of that, glutathione, another master antioxidant, grapeseed extract, zinc, vitamin C, and vitamin D. So, meron siyang tinatawag na synergistic effect. Each of the ingredients, you can get several benefits, but when you combine them, mas lalo hong na-enhance yung kanyang functionality sa ating katawan. Okay? So, some of the benefits that you can get from taking this Divine is it helps you maintain and regulate yung ating immune system. It also supports liver and cell detoxification. It promotes gut health, supports respiratory function, so especially sa mga may problema ho sa respiratory system. It also aids in vision maintenance. We have had a lot of testimonials na gumaganda raw kayo nilang eyesight. And then it promotes diabetic health. It improves absorption of other antioxidants. So lalong na-enhance pa yung absorption mo nung antioxidants coming from the Norwegian spruce tree extract. It supports collagen formation, improves erectile dysfunction dahil nga nai-improve yung blood circulation, and it boosts brain function and memory, it improves the skin, and it benefits heart health. Okay? So basically, we've been using all of these products and we have seen it time and again how it helped us. Kaya hindi ka sakitin, kaya hindi ka nanlalambot. Every time na meron ho kaming travel or trip, laging bit ho namin yung mga products na yan. No? Hindi ho kami nagpapawala niyan sa aming bag. Dahil ang tawag nga ho namin dito, 911 in a bottle. Whenever you are feeling stressed, whenever you are feeling, when you're experiencing pain, very powerful anti-inflammatory ho siya. So, hindi lang ho siya sublingual, pwede rin ho siyang topical. Okay? Particularly yung Fountain of Life, no? So, these are some of the products that we have. Basically, we have 1,000 SKUs sa amin hong online shop. And that's exactly where you can go if you want to try and use our products. You can visit our online shop, or better yet, get in touch with the people who invited you here so that they can let you try and use our products. Now, what's more interesting is, of course, yung mga testimonials, no? Yung mga sinishare ho ng mga stories, particularly ng mga tao na nag-benefit from using these products. Kaya ho kami very passionate kami in sharing, because the more we share it, the more people are being helped with these phenomenal products that we have here in Opulence Global. So kung gusto nyo hong makita yung mga testimonials na yan, you can visit our Facebook page. Makikita ho nyo yan sa Fountain of Life and Divine-Official. You can see it on your screen right now. Or you can even scan this QR code and you can see tons and tons and tons and tons of testimonials of different people in different parts of the world. Yun ho yung maganda dito eh. When you share, nagkakaroon ho kayo ng pamamaraan para makatulong ho sa mga tao, kasi you'll never know who is needing these products. And I believe lahat ho tayo, kailangan ho natin yan, solusyong pangkalusugan. Kasi may kasabihan nga ho tayo, di ba? Health is wealth, which is very true. Kasi pag wala ho yung kalusugan na yan, then hindi ho natin may enjoy yung mga bagay na gusto natin gawin sa buhay ho natin. Di ba? So you should give utmost priority when it comes to your health. Because your health, nag-iisa lang ho yan. When something happens in your health, hindi ho yan madaling pumunta sa isang shop, bibili ka ng atay, bibili ka ng puso. Nako, hindi ho. Nag-iisa lang ho yan. We should have to take care of it more than anything else. Yan ho yung best investment that you can give to yourself. Pangalagaan ho yung inyong kalusugan. And basically, we have the most powerful antioxidant available in the market right now. And it's now here in the Philippines. Okay? So, take advantage of that. Use this product. And of course, if you want to, of course, order already, you can get in touch with the people who invited you here. Or better yet, no, visit our online shop. Which now leads me to the second topic that I want to share with you later on. Kung may mga gustong mag-share dito sa ating call to their testimonials, please feel free to raise your hand. But now the question is, saan ho ba natin mabibili itong ating Fountain of Life? Is it available sa mga retail outlets? Is it available sa mga shops, no, sa mga supermarkets? No, it is not available ho sa retail outlets. This is only available sa ating online shop. Okay? Now, yung ating online shop, ang maganda ho dyan, you can purchase it whenever, wherever you want. Kasi all you have to do is at the click of your finger, saan nyo, lahat ho tayo, meron ng mga mobile phones, no? Internet. So, pag visit nyo si opulenceglobal.com, o opulence.com, sorry, then you can already see all of the products that are available for you. And when you make an order, it can deliver directly to your doorstep. You know yung maganda, no? So yung ease and convenience of ordering these products, and you can have it delivered diretso ho sa mga tahanan ho ninyo. Now, on top of that, no, because we want you to experience the product, but just to let you know, ito na ho yung aming kabuhayan. Ito ho yung aming negosyo. Yun ho yung isi-share namin sa inyo. Because behind a phenomenal product is also a phenomenal opportunity. An opportunity na hindi nyo kalaban yung mga malalaking retail outlets because this is only exclusively distributed sa ating online shop. Now you are thinking, Rico, wala naman akong experience sa pagsisimula ng negosyo. Ako rin ho, no? Before, wala din ako experience, but the great thing about this opportunity is that it is already ready. It is already set up, no? Ready-made na ho siya. So kumbaga, sa sasakyan, hindi mo na i-assemble pa yung kotse, dadrive-in mo na lang, ready na siya. So what we are offering here is a global turnkey dropship business with high-quality products and an opportunity to earn lifelong residual income at a minimal startup cost. So dito ho, first premise ho natin is you have to be a product of your own product. Kailangan kayo ho mismo naniniwala kayo sa inyong produkto. Just like me, no? Kaya ho ganito ako passionate, ganito ho ako excited to share this with you because we have seen it in ourselves, we have seen it in our family, and we have seen this, no, sa mga tao ho na na-share namin. At ang pinakamasarap ho doon, when they come back to you at nagpapasalamat ho sila because you have shared something na nakatulong ho sa kanilang kalusugan. Okay? Now, the great thing about that is, on top of that, na nakatulong ka na, nare-rewardan ka pa financially. Kasi yan ho yung magandang kabuhayan. While you help a lot of people, also your business grows. Yun ho yung maganda dyan. Because the nature of our business is, what if you can get paid to shop, consume, and recommend? So every time you share the benefits and they also experience the benefits, ang maganda ho nun is that you can get rewarded financially with this ready-made business. Okay? So I'll explain it to you very simply, in simple terms lang po, no? Kung paano po ba itong negosyo na ito. So the company will provide you with a platform. So naandyan na ho yung online shop nyo, naandyan na ho yung website ninyo. All of the products are already preloaded sa inyong online shop. So hindi na yung ikaw pa yung magsiset up niyan, naka-ready na yan. Okay? Meron ka ng online store, online shop. Naandyan na yung mga products, may payment system na. Ang maganda pa dito, we take care of the shipping. Now, when you open your online shop, ang maganda ho dyan is you can now distribute your products in more than 200 countries and territories. The company takes care of the shipping. And that is the reason why, literally, we can build this business globally even at the comfort of our own homes. We also take care of the guarantees and returns, website maintenance, training and support, team building events. Even yung mga conferences and trainings, we take care of that as well. So in essence, a large part of setting up your business is already done. Wala ka nang kailangang intindihin. Now ngayon, as a partner, e-mall partner with Opulence Global, ang gagawin mo na lang, is to share the benefits and promote and market your products. Okay? As simple as that, you now own a ready-made business that can ship to more than 200 countries and territories. Now, eto hong ating email is hindi ho basta-basta yan, ha? This is a more than a $3 million software, okay? So the great thing about that is you can have access to that for free. Wala ka nang babayaran pa, di ba? So yun ho yung maganda dito, nagkakaroon ka na ng sarili mong customized na website, ha? Personalized website. And of course, your own personal shop, online shop. Now, with this online shop, once you become a partner with Opulence Global, pag nilaunch nyo po yung inyong online business, now your email can allow you to have discounts, okay? So, pwede nyo makuha at the wholesale price. And kung gagamit ka lang ng product, you can save money, a lot of money actually. Now, if you are thinking, pwede palang gawing opportunity, di pwede rin ho kayong mag-earn ng money, no? Especially, you get the product at the wholesale price, you sell it at the retail price, and then, of course, yun na ho yung tinatawag nating nagkakaroon kayo ng financial rewards, mga profits. And then on top of that, ang maganda rin ho dito is you can encourage other people to do the same. Na makakuha din ng discounts and at the same time makapagsimula din sila ng sarili nilang ready-made business. Now, ang benefit lang ho nun is that when you have partners working with you, ikaw ang nag-share sa kanila, and then on top of that, when we help them grow their business, ang maganda ho dyan, pati ho yung sales nila, okay, na hindi mo na ikaw yung gumawa, di ba? So pati ho yung sales nila, nagkakaroon ka rin ng financial rewards and financial benefits. So in essence, it's as if nag-set up ka ng outlet or ng branch na hindi ikaw yung nag-invest kundi yung mga partners mo, but at the same time, while they experience the benefits that you are experiencing, you also get financially rewarded with all of the sales ng mga partners mo. So kumbaga para kang may branch, no? Now, hindi lang ho limited yan sa Philippines but also in other parts of the world. Now, let me just share with you when you become a partner with Opulence Global, these are some of the benefits that you can enjoy. So, number one is yung tinatawag mo nating retail profit. And as mentioned earlier, you can get discounts, no? And of course, since you get it at the wholesale price, when you sell it at retail price, like for instance, itong Fountain of Life, no? Ito ho, you can basically earn 1,600 pesos retail profit per bottle. Okay? So we have a premium product and at the same time you can earn a premium profit, no? Imagine 1,600 pesos per bottle sa 10 tao makausap mo, meron kang magkano? 16,000, di ba? And of course, in a given period of time, pag umabot ka na ng 100 customers mo, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, of course, in other parts of the world as well. So imaginein mo 160,000 just by 100 bottles of the Fountain of Life, di ba? So sa Fountain of Life pa yon, may fashion pa tayo, may beauty pa tayo, may personal care pa. So yun yung tinatawag nating premium profit, no, retail profit. Now, next step naman is of course kapag ka nagkaroon na ng benefit yung mga tao na gumamit ng product, next time na bibili sila, magtatanong na sa iyo yan ng discount. Pwede ba ako maka-discount yan? Then of course, what you can do is to share with them the wholesale package that we have para ma-enjoy din nila yung discount or better yet, no? Magawa din nila yung opportunity. So when someone gets a package, yung email package from you, you also earn what we call wholesale profit up to $350. Okay? So $350 kapag ka merong kumuha sa inyo ng online shop ng package nila with the products. So that's your commission, wholesale profit up to $350. So imagine having 10 partners, isa sa US, isa sa Canada, isa sa Australia, isa sa Africa, isa sa Asia, isa sa Europe. So imagine 10 of them. Kumuha sila ng package, no? Yun yung maganda doon. You can earn as much as $3,500 doon sa 10 partners na kumuha sa'yo ng package. So again, yung retail profit mo can be unlimited, yung wholesale profit mo can be also unlimited, but now you're enjoying dalawang streams of income by just doing one business. Now, this is my favorite part, no? Ito yung tinatawag nating lifelong residual income. Others call it as a team commission. Ano ba tong team commission na to? Ito na ho yung essence na kung saan kapag meron kang mga partners na gusto ring mag-distribute ng products para sila din, ma-enjoy nila the same benefits that you are enjoying, ang gagawin ho natin dyan, tuturuan natin yan, tutulungan natin yan. Siyempre, bago pa lang yan di ba? So pagka lumalago na ho yung kanilang negosyo, ito ho yung maganda dyan. Lahat ng nagiging sales ng mga partners mo, lahat ng mga packages na nalo-launch ng mga partners mo, lahat ng mga repeat orders, lahat ng mga monthly purchases na ginagawa ng mga partners mo, it rolls up to you as your commissionable volume. So ibig sabihin, with all of the sales, all of the purchases ng partners mo, pati yung mga partners nila, na hindi mo nakakilala, magkakukonekta ho yan. It is credited to you as commissionable volume at kinokomputan ho yun ang tinatawag nating team commissions. So just imagine a business na hindi nakasalalay sa sarili mong online shop yung paglago ng negosyo mo. As people are talking about our products, as people are distributing these products in more than 200 countries and territories, your business also grows. Isn't that amazing, right? So dadating yung panahon that you can enjoy yung tinatawag natin na lifelong residual income. Literally, while you are sleeping here in the Philippines, if you have a partner in the US na open yung shop niya, yung business niya at nagdi-distribute siya, nagpo-promote siya ng products doon sa US, while you are sleeping, ibig sabihin tuloy-tuloy tumatakbo yung business mo. And what that means is that you can operate your business, you can run your business while you are sleeping, and habang tumatak yung business mo, pwedeng tuloy-tuloy din yung pasok ng income dun sa negosyo mo. And this is what we call team commissions, no? That's the power of leveraging. Now, marami pa hong mga iba't ibang items dito, no? Particularly, we have basically 13 to 14 ways of making money. One of them is itong profit sharing. So, on top pa ho yun ng retail, on top ng wholesale, on top ng team commissions, you can also enjoy profit sharing. So, ibig sabihin ng profit sharing, you can get a share dun sa global sales, no? So, yun ho yung maganda dyan. We call it MGRS or Monthly Global Revenue Sharing. You can also enjoy variance bonuses up to $50,000 and commission boost of up to $5,000 per week. And mind you, even while you are working here in the Philippines, ang pumapasok ho dun sa inyong e-wallet is in Canadian dollars. Wow, grabe, no? So talagang global business ho kasi siya, no? So yun ho yung maganda. For the past 20 years, we have never, ever got delayed, no? Sa pag-i-issue ng mga bonuses and commissions sa ating mga partners worldwide, okay? Now, you can also be a part. Meron pang additional perks and privileges dyan. The company can even pay for your own car. May car program din ho tayo dito. Na on top of dun sa commissions that you can enjoy, even the company can pay for your own car. Even the company can pay for your own vacations. We've been part of the cruise, no? So mga nire-rewardan ho yung ating mga partners ng mga travel incentives. So pwede rin ho yan. Leadership Summit, Exotic Vacation, First Class Travel, and Private Jet Travel. Okay? So actually, there are a lot of perks and privileges. We have a separate training that dives deep, no? Deeper into the compensation plan ho natin for you to maximize the streams of income as you keep on sharing and promoting your products and your business. Now, the question is, how do you get started? Paano ba ako magsisimula dyan? Dito na tayo sa application na, no? With all of these benefits, with all of these perks and privileges, with the infrastructure that we have, how do I become a part of it? Paano ako magsisimula dyan? Okay? So, first thing that you need to do is to launch your e-mall. Kasi yung e-mall mo or yung online shop mo, yan yung magiging pinaka-outlet mo. Diyan bibisita yung mga tao, diyan sila makikita yung mga products mo. So, yung e-mall na yan, as mentioned to you, when you get a package, it is already free. Wala ka nang babayaran. You have access to that as well. Now, ito hong ating first package, which we call the brand partner, ready-made na ho siya, kompleto na ho siya. You can get your business started right away. Aside from your e-mall, meron na ho siyang kasamang 2 bottles of Fountain of Life and toothpaste. Okay? So, at least may panimula ka na. You'll also get free $20 VIP gift card. Plus, pag re-order mo, nakaka-enjoy ka na ng 20% discount. Aba, malaking menos na ho yan. Kung sa Fountain of Life, more or less, mga kulang-kulang 1,000 pesos na ho yung nasa-save nyo dyan. Okay? Now, on top of that, may welcome kit na rin kasama yan, all the tools that you need. So, hindi mo na kailangan pang mag-hire ng graphic team. Kasi kasama na yung mga brochures, flyers, and even yung mga poster designs ng mga products ho natin, mga marketing materials online, meron na ho din siyang available for you, no? So, pagka nakuha mo tong brand partner, imagine tapping into a global business, global distribution in more than 200 countries and territories, and an opportunity to earn lifelong residual income, all of those. Kung ikaw magsisimula niyan, website pa lang, mahina na dyan ng 100,000. But with this brand partner, ang maganda ho dito, for only 13,675 pesos, you can now take part in this global business, okay? Online business, okay? So yun ho yung maganda dyan. But of course, eto ho, hindi pa niya na ma-maximize yung compensation plan. If you truly want to maximize the compensation plan, ito ho yung susunod na package natin, which is the Lifestyle Advisor package. You get all of the benefits ng brand partner package. The only difference here is mas malaki na yung mas madami na yung bottles or products that you can redeem. Okay? So, ang total value ho ng products na to is 72,000. Yan ho yung makukuha nyo, yung 16 bottles. But ang investment nyo lang ho dito is 61,185. Ang maganda ho dito is when you invest, when you start your business, hawak mo kaagad yung produkto mo. Nothing to lose, wala kang talo, no? Pero ang maganda ho dyan, pag na-distribute mo na-market mo na yung 16 bottles mo, balik na yung puhunan mo, may tubo ka pa, more than 10,000 pesos. Pag reorder mo, 30% discount ka. And now you get to enjoy, nagkakaroon ka na ng access to the 13 ways of making money in this business. So mas na-maximize mo na yung balik sa negosyo mo, no? Now, we also have another package that you can choose. Ito ho yung tinatawag nating Lifestyle Advisor Plus. Ito ho ang mas maganda dito, mas malaki yung return on investment mo. Kasi yung 24 bottles na makukuha mo, syempre, mas maraming products, nagkakahalaga ho yan ng 108,000. But for only 75,775, you can get this package when you move out your products. Ang balik niyan, balik na yung puhunan mo, may tubo ka pa dyan na more than 30,000 plus. Pag reorder mo, you get the maximum discount of 37%. So doon na ho pumapasok ngayon na for every bottle, you can save as much as more than 1,600 pesos per bottle. Okay? So just last year, inintroduce din ho natin ito pang isang package na tinatawag ho nating Lifestyle Advisor Designer Experience. Ito na ho yung may pinakamagandang rate ng ROI o ng return of investment. Why? Because sa product, sino nyo naman yung total value? Nasa 449,000, almost 450,000. Pero magkano lang ho ang sisimulan nyo dito? 174,000. So this means, once you get this package, balik yung puhunan, tapos na-move out mo yung mga products mo, balik yung puhunan mo. Ang pwede nyo kitain dyan is more or less nasa mga more than 200, no? 225,000 or 250,000. Grabe, no? Balik yung puhunan mo, tapos ganun kaagad yung profit mo or yung kita mo. Okay, kasama na ho dyan yung ating luxury watch. Kasama ho sa package na hindi ho bababa yung halaga sa 57,750. Okay? So, as mentioned, no, these are the different packages that you can choose from. Ready-made business. Imagine nyo kung magsisimula kayo ng isang franchise business. Eh, hindi lang ho daan libo kailangan nyo dyan, di ba? Milyon-milyon. Tapos yung franchise business mo, naandun lang sa lugar mo. Ang dami mo pang kakompetensya. Bago mo pa mabawi yung puhunan mo. Kadalasan sa mga franchise business na yan, mahina na ho ang 2, 3 taon. Sometimes it even takes 5 years bago mo mabawi yung puhunan. Eh, eto, sa package mo pa lang, tubong-tubo ka na kagad. Tapos global pa yung distribution mo. Napakadali pang mag-set up ng business mo in other parts of the world. Because once a partner starts with you on that particular market, then guess what? Para ka nang may outlet ka agad doon na wala masyadong hassle sa'yo. Alright? So there are actually a lot of benefits, no? Just by sharing this. So I'll end up with this, no? Itong ating dynamics of the business. So three things po, no, three things that you can gain from starting with this kind of business. Number one is healthy living. So let's go back from where we started. Ito ho yung pinaka primary message that we want to share with you. Healthy living. Because all of this money matters, wala hong saysayan kung wala kang magandang kalusugan. If you see the best antioxidant that can protect your body, invest on it. Okay? Huwag nyo na ho panghinayangan. Kasi yung katawan ho natin, pag nagka-problema yan, sinabi sa'yo ng doktor, mag-produce ka ng 1 million, magpo-produce ka ng 1 million. Ganyan ho kahalaga yung ating kalusugan. Huwag na ho nating antayin na umabot pa sa ganung sitwasyon. Huwag ho nating antayin na magkasakit muna tayo bago tayo gumawa ng aksyon para pangalagaan yung ating kalusugan. Okay, so invest in your health. And what we have here is the most powerful antioxidant available in the market right now. Okay? And then, dyan din ho nang gagaling yung aming belief and conviction. The reason why we are very passionate in sharing these products is because we have experienced it. We have seen it ourselves. At lalo hong tumataas yung belief namin kapag yung isang diabetic na due for amputation yung paa, hindi na ho natutuloy putulin dahil natulungan ho ng ating product. And we have seen stories like that. Okay? Yung mga nakakamenos, imbis na operahan yung puso, pinapalabas siya ng 800,000, pinopostpone na. Sabi niya, nag-i-improve yung puso mo eh. So, ano muna natin? I-postpone muna natin yung operation niya. Cancer patients. Meron ho dito na halos hopeless na. Nanghihina na because of ovarian cancer. Pero ano ho nangyari? Nag-mega dose ho siya. By the way, wala akong overdose itong ating product. Pag sinabi kong mega dose, ang ginawa ho niya, in just 2 days, ang nauubos niya isang bote. So, hindi ba sabi niya, bakit hindi ba ano yan, magastos yon? Eh sabi niya, mas magastos yung nasa ospital eh. Mas magastos yung chemotherapy. Eh tapos hindi naman, wala naman ako nararamdaman. So kumbaga, naging last resort niya ho yung Fountain of Life and guess what? Stage 4 ovarian cancer, laging nagko-collapse, laging nanghihina. Taking this FOL, pag nakita niyo ho yung kanyang video testimonial, you wouldn't believe. Naging maayos na ho yung itsura niya, naging malakas na ho siya, naka-recover ho siya. So praise God for that. Okay? And with these products that we are sharing to a lot of people, I believe every household, every family needs this product. Imagine kung kayo ho ang magsisimula mag-distribute niyan. With the opportunity that we shared with you today, you can make a fortune out of this. Financial freedom, once and for all, solusyonan ho natin yung problemang kaperahan. No? And of course, this is a type of business that you can get started with. Okay? Ito ho ay negosyo, legal na negosyo. So, probably you are thinking, wala naman ako experience sa pagnenegosyo, wala akong alam dyan sa produkto mo, wala akong alam dyan sa sinasabi mong e-mall, global distribution, magagawa ko ba yan? That's the great thing about this business is marami ho tayong mga trainings that you can attend para matutunan ho natin. Everything in this business can be learned. Okay? Every week we have product training na pinamumunuan ho yan ng ating kumbaga head of our product, si Senior Vice President sa Nasuman. Every Tuesday, katulad bukas, no? Every Wednesday, bukas ng umaga, ang magpa-facilitate naman ho ng training is yung ating founder and CEO. So these are the regular trainings that we have on a weekly basis. And then Saturday training, yung mga top leaders ho natin, sharing their experiences, doing trainings in order for us to understand the business. So it doesn't matter kung wala ka pong background, it doesn't matter kung mababa lang yung pinag-aralan mo, mataas pinag-aralan mo, it doesn't matter kung may knowledge ka or wala. Nakatapos ka man o hindi. Ano mang lahi mo, ano mang religion mo, it doesn't matter. Because everything can be learned in this business. We have equal opportunity for everyone for you to achieve success with the opportunity that we have here in Opulence Global. So what if you can have all of this? Healthy living, financial freedom, and personal development. Okay? Now, napakaganda ho ng timing ninyo because we're already celebrating our 20th year anniversary. The first 10 to 20 years, naandyan ho yung branding, naandyan ho yung sineset up pa natin, building the foundation of our business, of course, innovating sa ating technological advances, and that's the reason why for the past 20 years, we have grown into a multi-million-dollar business. Now, our next vision for the next 10 years is to become a billion-dollar company. And when that happens, remember, dito sa ating compensation plan, ang payout ho niyan is 60 to 70%. So this means that when the company reaches the billion-dollar sales, 60 to 70% or 600 to 700 million dollars is napupunta ho yan sa ating mga partners. Now the question is, where will you be when that happens? Okay? So I would encourage you to take a serious, closer look at this. If you have any questions, this is the time for you to raise your questions. And if you want to get started already, you can now launch your business. Napakasimple lang ho ng sistema sa paglo-launch ng business. I-scan nyo lang ho itong QR code na to and you can already open up your online shop, online business immediately, and it can be open to different parts of the world, global distribution, just like what I shared with you today. Okay? So the great thing about this opportunity, and this will be my last message to each and everyone who is watching this, is I remember what Zig Ziglar says. Sabi ho ni Zig Ziglar, you can have everything in life you want if you will just help enough other people get what they want. Again, let me repeat that, no? You can have everything in life you want if you will just help enough other people get what they want. And this business is actually a manifestation of what Zig Ziglar is saying. So dito ho, we don't look at people na merong dollar sign, may peso sign. We don't look at people chasing profits and money. The first thing that was taught to us, was trained to us, is that the first thing that you need to do is to find people that you can help when it comes to products, find people that you can help when it comes to improving their life, the opportunity. Because everyone is looking for solutions these days. Okay? So the question that we always ask ourselves when we wake up in the morning is, who can I help today? Okay? Now, what Zig Ziglar was saying, that you can have everything in life you want if you will just help enough other people get what they want. Thereby, by doing that, as you increase the number of people that you help, marami nang nagbe-benefit sa help, marami nang nag-i-improve yung kanilang negosyo, lumalaki yung kanilang negosyo. In this business, the only way that you can grow your business is by helping other people grow their business as well. And yung sinabi ho ni Zig Ziglar, I have seen the manifestation in this opportunity. So it means that when you succeed in this business, ibig sabihin, you've helped enough people. With our help, you've helped enough people when it comes to improving their life. And that's my last message to you. I do hope that we get to see you in our next events. And if you have any questions, of course, please feel free to, of course, put your questions in our Q&A box or in our chat box, or even you can raise your hand and we'll open up the mic for you. Okay? So let me just stop this recording.